Recently, I wired up my trusty Strat with our Thompson Guitar and Thrift SoCal Single Coil Pickups for a demo video. And I wanted to do something a little different, so I decided to wire my Strat up in the Memphis Wiring Scheme. Back in the early days of Fender, Strats had three-way switches. So the Memphis Wiring Scheme was a way to dial in all of the typical sounds of a five-way switch using a three-way switch. This was a favorite wiring scheme of a lot of early players, most notably Roland James of Sun Records, hence the Memphis name. Now I'm going to take you through this wiring scheme, but we also made a free digital download wiring diagram of the Memphis Wiring Scheme. It's available on our website. There's a link down in the description, so go there. You can download it for free. We put up a lot of free downloadable content, a lot of wiring diagrams. We make posters, things like that. We like to make a lot of free things for our customers to use. And while you're there, check out our website, Thompson Guitar and Thrift. There's a ton of great guitar parts. Really take a look around, take a look at our prices. You're gonna be impressed. Not only does this give you all five-way sounds with a three-way switch, it also gives you a telly-like scheme with the neck by itself, all three pickups together, and the bridge by itself. You also have a setting for the neck pickup and the bridge pickup together. On top of all this, you have the ability to blend in the middle pickup into these combinations. This is achieved by the volume knob only being linked to the neck and bridge pickups. And this first tone knob is strictly a volume control for the middle pickup. The last tone knob acts as a tone control for all three pickups. So here's our three-way switch. First, in this position, we have the neck pickup by itself. In the middle position is the neck and bridge position together. And in the third position, we have the bridge by itself. Now, let's start from the top again. So we're in the neck position. Now we're going to roll this tone knob on, and this is going to turn on the middle pickup. All right, with this middle pickup on, in this position, we have all three pickups together. And in the final third position, we have the middle pickup and the bridge pickup. So I really like this mod. I really like the fact that I can switch quickly directly from the neck pickup to the neck and bridge pickup together. I love that chimey sound that I get out of both of those pickups. You should totally give this a shot. If you like the sound of these SoCal Single Coil Pickups, check them out on our website, thompsonguitarandthrift.com. You're going to hear me play us out. I made a track where I run through some of these settings. Thanks a lot, folks, and see you next time.